These foods clean your arteries and can prevent heart attack. You are never too young to start eating for your heart. Science suggests this food could help prevent clogged arteries. Every product is independently selected by our editors. If you buy something through our link, we may earn an affiliate commission. Keep your heart healthy. The number one killer in United States is heart disease. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), 6,10,000 people die from it every year. That is about 1 out of every 4 deaths. This cause the heart disease is generally clogged arteries. These blood vessels can be blocked by fatty plaque that contain calcium, cholesterol and other substances that circulate in the blood. There is no one magic food that acts like Turno and cleans out accumulated plaque. But good habit can help slow down the process, and maintaining a healthy weight and diet is one of the factors you can control a great degree. And he says it's never too late to start. First, beans. A great source of soluble fiber. Black beans have 3 times as much of it per cup as oats. Another part, antioxidants, which are specially abundant in colorful varieties such as black beans and red kidney beans, may fight inflammation that contribute to heart disease. Check out these 10 heart healthy meals cardiologists make for themselves. Lentils. This protein packed dish come from the same legume family as beans, which means that they packed many similar benefits. Preliminary research in red found that lentils appear to resolve the damage to blood vessels caused by high blood pressure. Fish. A lot of the research on omega-3 fatty acid focus on brain health, but this protein anti-inflammatory have benefit for your ticketer too. Research link inflammation inside your body to a number of chronic diseases and conditions including lung buildup. Avocados. Fat of any kind used to be at the top of the list of things that are bad for your heart. Not anymore. Researchers reveal that mono and polyunsaturated fat like this found in avocados and the heart healthy because they help lower bad LDL cholesterol and rise good HDL cholesterol. Turmeric. In the recent years, more people have started recognizing the health boosting properties of the brilliant yellow spicy traditionally used in Indian cuisine. A substance in the spicy, curcumin, is an antioxidant that may help prevent fatty deposit in the building up and blocking arteries. If you are not a huge fan of the curry, try a golden mati made with this spicy. Broccoli. Scientists have known for years that cruciferous veggies like broccoli have cancer-fighting abilities, but researchers are also examining broccoli's roles in heart health. Asparagus. Another green giant. As for the heart health post, these fiber steaks are rich in quercetin that prevent plaque from sticking to your arteries. Watermelon. The reason cardiologist seems observed with talking your blood pressure. When it is elevated, it can be eventually wear out the listening of your blood vessels, leaving them less elastic and able to function normally. That can increase your risk for a heart attack or stroke. This juice melon can help. Watermelon is the number one source of creatine. Whole grains. You may have the impression that carbs are not good for you, but that are not true. Whole grains, even in bread and pasta, are part of the heart-healthy diet. As aging arteries stiffen up, says Lemon, they can begin to restrict your blood flow. Omega-3 fatty acid promote cardiovascular health, especially one known as acid DHA. It is the most commonly found in seafood, but if you are not a fish fan, try DHA fortified milk and eggs.